Hey there everyone, in this video of Engineering Pritam, we're going to design, develop and 3D print this planter which is inspired by Apple HomePod. So stay tuned with us, and if somebody wants this STL file, please do let me know in comment down below. I will be forwarding the link of this STL file. So without further ado, let's get started. So let's first of all download this image. Now I'm gonna run my favorite tool, which is Creo Parametric. And as we are also transitioning to FreeCAD, probably I'm gonna also present the same thing in FreeCAD. Alright. And if you also want to follow the same steps in Creo, I also have created how you can get the educational version of PTC Creo if you are a student, and can learn how to design. Alright, so let's click here on new, and I'm gonna say pen holder, and let's uncheck this default template, and from here I'm gonna choose solid MMKS with absolute accuracy. And let's first of all go here in view tab and import the image. I'm gonna keep it in this particular plane, and I need to see where I have downloaded this. Alright, so this image should be in desktop, and there you go. Let me actually change the plane display, and I'm gonna make it like view normal to this one. Now let's again go back here in image, and we will try to keep it on center, or maybe here. Because I'm gonna do revolve one go.
Hotel said I'm not asking for nothing, just what I'm owed. And all my friends are just walking the light away. No one knows your name, but we should know your face. Lizzie's hair, watch the world turn bruised and gloom from Palo Alto air. City's not asking for nothing, just what I'm owed. And all my friends are just chasing a quiet flame. No one knows your songs, but your voice got played. And you can grieve what you can grieve. They say grieve a little more for that inner child sitting on the floor.
Alright, so I just imported this data in Bambu Lab, and here we can see our model is ready to be printed. And I did some setting optimization, for example ironing in top layer and so on. And probably one more thing I would like to do is I'm going to reduce the size of it, because this is quite large. I think I'm gonna say scale down to 80%. Again, let me slice it back, and there you go. Now we can see the time still remains same, but let's print this model. I'm gonna say print plate. So that's all guys from my side in this video. Hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Engineering Pritam to follow more search tutorial related to various engineering topics, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.